Hazrat Urwa reports that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha told him, one night Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out when the half of night had passed and performed prayer in the mosque, and many people also performed the prayer behind him. In the morning the people talked of it. So the next day the more people performed prayer along with him. In the morning the people recounted it, so the number of the visitors multiplied on the third night. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out and performed the prayer, and the people performed the prayer behind him. On the fourth night, the mosque could not accommodate the visitors till he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came for the morning prayer. When he had performed the Fajr prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced the people. So after reciting the article of testimony, Kalima Shahadat, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "To proceed, your presence was not hidden to me, but I feared lest it should be made obligatory for you, and it should humble you." So the practice remained the same till Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2012.